Hi, in today's lecture I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress in Hostinger. It's a very easy process and I'm going to do it with the help of control panel. Go to your control panel Hostinger. You will find a screen just like this and click go to cpanel, and here cpanel you will have to find softwares or app installers. In app installers you will find a WordPress option. Click this WordPress option. Here we go. Now here you have to click this button install now. When you will click this button you will switch to this window. In this window you have to put your domain URL and then you have to put the site name or site description. You have to set username also and password. When you will proceed next you will be here. Here you will find at the bottom current installation. You will find the admin panel, and if you want to access your WordPress admin panel you have to click this admin icon. Here we go. You will find an admin panel of your WordPress website at Hostinger. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.